Hello. So today I thought I'd just do a quick video on how you can add a 1 TB or more SSD drive to your computer, whether it's a laptop or a desktop, doesn't make any difference. And also we're going to do it in a fairly cheap way. It's not an expensive project. Um, very cheap parts, or fairly cheap parts anyway. I recently had a conversation with somebody on YouTube, and I was explaining to them how I did this. And I realised that perhaps some other people may be interested to learn how to do it as well. So I created this video. As you can see on the screen, I just did a search today for some basic NVMe or M2 drives, as they're sometimes known. These are usually used inside laptops as the SSD drives. They do come in various configurations and shapes and sizes, but these are all pretty standard that are on the screen. And as you can see, they vary in price somewhat. And I'm not sure which one would be a good one and which one would be a bad one. I'm not sure what the differences are. You'd probably have to do some more investigation into that. But I see no reason why a cheap one wouldn't do the job. I don't know whether the extra money would make any difference, unless it's because they're higher specification or faster or something. Then I don't really see the need for it, for the extra cost. And then once we've got the drive and we've decided which one we're going to buy, what I did then is I went to Amazon, looked for a cheap case to put it in, because I thought, wouldn't it be great if somebody made a case that you could just buy one of these drives and put it in? And they do. This is the one I bought, King Data. I'm not saying it's the best, or I'm not recommending it in any way. I'm just telling you that's the one I bought. I'm sure there are lots of other ones available. So the idea is that you basically um, you can slide out the center of the case. It will take all different size drives in there. It will take the one that we're going to use, the NVMe or M2 drive, will fit in there nicely. Close the case up, plug in the USB cable and connect it to your computer, and away you go. You've got an extra drive. Lightning fast, as long as you've got USB 2, USB 2 or more. USB 3 would be better. And as long as you've got that, it'll be very quick as well. And you've got all that extra storage space for your games or whatever you're using it for. And it's probably only cost about £50 or something in UK money. I don't know what that would be in dollars, but it's quite a cheap and easy project. So I just thought I'd share this video with you, and hopefully it will help somebody. Thank you for watching. Please do give the video a like. These likes are very important to us. And if you want to see some more video content from us, please subscribe to our channel, and you'll get notified whenever we go live or upload new content. Hope you found it useful, and thank you for watching.